He has a dog on the back of that motorcycle. Are you kidding me? I was just about to do my intro, and I'm like, I don't know. Are we going to try to make a motovlog happen today? And the fact that I just started recording and that passed me, I'm going to say, yeah, weird enough stuff is going to be going on that it'll be a good motovlog.
Perfect.
Alright, this light is not recognizing me, so let's just go to the right. Right turn on red is allowed. Welcome back to Life of Birch. This is Birch, and I've been thinking, you know, all the cool YouTubers have, like, names for their subscribers. Like, Logan Paul has the Low Gang. Should I start calling you guys the Lifers? Get it? Life of Birch? Like, oh yeah, we're down for life. I don't know if that would be super cool or super freaking whack, but most of the stuff that YouTubers do I think is whack and other people love, so who knows, maybe I'm just out of touch. Anyway, it is a gorgeous freaking day, so I'm just gonna wander around and see if I can't find some cool stuff to do and knock out a motovlog. I've only ever really tried to do a motovlog one other time, and it was when I had my Rebel 300, but I had like 25 subscribers at the time, so of course it only got like 100 views and nobody cared about it. But you know, since we just passed 1,000 subscribers, maybe like that's enough of a solid little base that it'll actually get some views and be worth my time to edit together. Ooh, oh. Break my back on the freaking speed bump. Sometimes I think it's good that when I have my camera rolling, I am more inclined to say freaking or like, oh, what the heck? Because in real life, I feel like I cuss way too much, but I try to keep it friendly family? Anyway, I try to keep it family friendly on here, because apparently YouTube likes that. So maybe I'll get in the habit of, like, not cussing so much. Alright, let's get out of this neighborhood. Oh, okay. They're going much slower than I thought they were. I'm out here letting her eat so that I can get up to the flow of traffic, and they're doing like 20 and a 35 as I pass a sign that says 30. But still, we're doing 28 right now, okay? It started out as accelerating to get past that slow guy. Then I saw the light turn yellow, so I figured I would have to accelerate to get through the yellow light, but I'm pretty sure it turned red like as I was in the intersection, so sorry about that. This bike is so light that I just did that full stop and wait for the other person to go without putting my feet down. One of the many reasons why I love this thing. This is the worst little intersection ever. Got a turn right there, a turn to the right here, then a blind turn right here. There have been so many accidents at that intersection, one of which being my old Civic that got totaled when somebody pulled out in front of me. RIP. Let's go ahead and head through downtown Annapolis and see what we can find. I know I end up going through there in like every other video that I do, but it's because it's like my favorite place ever. I love being downtown. Plus, that's where I feel like we're most likely to see some weird stuff happen. Yesterday I went through there and I was filming, but like not for anything in particular, and I saw like two homeless guys arguing and throw a can of Budweiser or Bud Ice or something like that in the street and started spraying in front of me. Roll the clip. What in the heck is going on? Oh man, these dudes are just yelling at each other and throwing a Bud Ice into the street. So maybe if we're lucky, something like that'll happen again. Absolutely freaking gorgeous. Okay, stay on this side of the road. So dudes. The biker wave, kind of like the Jeep wave, but actually cool. So dude and so dude. The whole world, yep, can't even speak words. Wonder what kind of fish you can even catch off this bridge. What do you call a fish with no eyes? Dang, looks like his car broke down and it looked pretty sick. Let's see how many people are down here today. Tonight at 5 o'clock is the first time that they are lifting the stay-at-home orders. Like, what are you doing, bro? And yeah, you would think that it was just normal life down here. It is freaking packed. Like, what is y'all doing? This is crazy. So this is what they call Ego Alley. All the rich guys come down and show off their egos in the form of expensive boats. And I guess even though it's crowded, it is like more dead than it usually is. Posted up outside the Hummer. Let's get it. Got the Spiders or the Can-Ams or whatever down here. Respect. Do a burnout for real though. Damn, that's sick. That's super dope. A little sidecar action. I'm gonna avoid that traffic because it's busier than I thought it would be. And scoop around this way. It would be really nice if this... Oh, there we go. Spoke that green light into existence. What are you guys drinking? That looks delicious. They can eat outside, or did they get to go and they're just sitting out there? This is crazy. It is straight hustling and bustling down here. Don't let Governor Hogan catch y'all out here. He told y'all keep y'all asses in the house. Playing guitar. Pretty sure those are the two guys that were throwing the beer around yesterday. We are moving too slow for me to stay cool. Let's get up out of here. Dude, why did I think that dog had 3 legs? No turn on red. Okay. Did I mention how hot it is when I'm just sitting still? I guess that's the downside to looking super cool in all black. Oh, dude. Oh man, I just realized I officially passed 500 miles on this bad boy. Bought it with 948 and we're at 1449. Dude. Okay, he didn't wave at all. It's no kind of role model for your son on the back of that bike. You better wave next time. You know what? Let's go this way. You know what? I don't even know why I'm going this way. How did I just take the wrong exit? How long have I lived in this area? Alright, why don't we make a U-turn and go the direction that we actually wanted to? They say the 500 doesn't have any juice. Sup, brother? Welcome to Maryland, where you can do 80 on the highway and barely pass people. Which, by the way, yes, the little Rebel 500 is holding its own, staying steady at 80 on the highway with no problems. Holy sh... There is dirt and rocks flying all off of that freaking thing, dude. I need to not be exposed to that when we get off the bridge. I will shield myself with this Toyota Highlander. If that person had just cleaned their little dirt machine before they left the frickin' house, this wouldn't be an issue, huh? Alright, let's stop off for some petrol, yeah? The whole gang is here. The sport bike go vroom vroom. Good to the last drop. $3 fill up. Unreal. My man is vibing out over there. Can you guys hear that? Goals. Is it normal that every time I see a speed bump I just want to like freaking floor it towards it and ramp it? Oh! I almost did there. Look at the goats! Just basking in the sun. This is the kind of road that would be so much fun if they just repaved it and it was smooth, but I almost feel like they haven't repaved it and they haven't made it smooth yet because they know that people already drive like crazy on here and it'll just make it worse if they make the road better. What's up, brother? Oh my gosh, I just remembered another crazy thing that happened downtown yesterday. This guy was just letting his dog take a duke in the middle of the streets. Just steaming in the middle of downtown. Roll the clip. Bro, this man is duking in the streets. Oh man, imagine being a puppy and just being able to poop in the middle of downtown. And on that note, I think I'm gonna let that just kind of finish us off, because it is a little warm out, I'm hungry, it's dinner time, my wife is off, and I'm gonna head home. So hopefully I got enough content to either entertain you guys or bore you enough to realize I should never do this again in my entire life. But either way, hopefully we'll catch you on the next one. Peace!